In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow account. If you've been eager to dive into the world of web design using Webflow, but are unsure where to start, you're in the right place. This is your step-by-step guide, designed to walk you through the process of setting up your Webflow account efficiently and smoothly. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Webflow website. Fire up your favorite web browser and head to webflow.com. Here, you'll find yourself immersed in a platform designed for crafting custom websites with visual ease. Once the page loads, you'll notice the welcoming homepage emphasizing Webflow's unique features. This is where your new journey into web design begins. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the Get Started button. This button is your gateway to creating your account, setting you on a path filled with creative possibilities. Click on Get Started, and let's move on to the next stage. After clicking Get Started, you'll be presented with options to sign up or log in. You'll see familiar social sign-in options, including Sign Up with Google. Using this option can streamline the process, especially if keeping track of multiple passwords isn't your thing. Simply click on Sign Up with Google, and if you're already logged into your Google account, half the work is done for you. If you're not using the Google sign-in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address manually. Make sure to use a valid email, as this will be your primary point of contact with Webflow. Enter your email address in the designated field. Double-check for any typos, and then proceed by clicking Continue. After hitting Continue, follow any additional prompts that may appear. Webflow aims to provide a seamless onboarding experience, and as such, any remaining steps will be clearly stated on the screen. You may have to complete a few more fields, providing information like your name and setting a password, but rest assured, Webflow's interface makes it all quite intuitive. Congratulations! With these steps, you've set up your Webflow account. This is the first step to unlocking your web design potential. Be sure to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools that can help bring your website visions to life. Remember, Webflow's support resources, such as tutorials and community forums, are readily available if you need further guidance. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope it's been helpful and that you feel confident in starting your Webflow journey. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with what Webflow has to offer. Have fun creating, and I'll see you in the next video.